Hello everyone, how are you? رح نعمل quick revision today على الاشياء اللي أخدناها last week بالquadratic equations. طيب last week أخدنا بالchapter 2 يلي هو book page 15 equations and polynomials of the second degree اللي نحن بنسميها quadratic equations. الobjectives أكيد كانوا study the existence of roots of quadratic equations, solve quadratic equations, find a relation between roots and coefficients of a quadratic equation. We said that إنه any quadratic equation أو polynomial of second degree شكله راح يكون ax square plus bx plus c. This is a polynomial, and if it is an equation it should be ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We said that if the roots exist, so the solutions of these equations are in this way: x1 equal minus b minus radical delta over 2a, and x2 minus b plus radical delta over 2a, and delta is called the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. We said that if delta is negative, so the roots are not real. If delta equals 0, so it admits a double root. If delta positive, so it admits two distinct real roots. If an equation is incomplete, يعني it means إنه c equal 0 as in this example, or b equal 0 as in this example, and we have solved a lot of questions about an incomplete equations. Sum and product of the roots of an equation. قلنا إنه في relation بين الرoots وبين السم of the roots وبين coefficients of the equation يلي هني a و b و c. وقلنا إنه sum x1 plus x2 equal minus b over a, والproduct x1 times x2 equal c over a. يعني أي quadratic equation صار فينا نجيب sum والproduct of the roots without finding the roots. Okay, if exist طبعا. Finding two real numbers of a given sum and a given equation. بيكون في given sum مثلا s equal 6b equal 4. نجي بنقول انه لازم يكون s square minus 4b greater or equal to 0 لحتى يكونوا هدول two numbers exist. بعدين الايكويشن راح يكون general form تبع x square minus sx plus b equal ل 0. وهيك بنلاقي two numbers as in this example. Usage of calculator. تعلمنا كيف نعمل على الكالكوليتر، كيف نجيب الروتس of n by calculator. وتعلمنا كمان كيف نحل باي سكويرد equation. قلنا إذا عنا x power 4 ما بتكون quadratic، بتكون باي سكويرد equation. بنقول let t أو أي variable equal x square، نعمل substitute، we solve and then we solve again to get x. وممكن يطلع عندها 4 روتس أو أقل يمكن. اوكي، أحيانا ما بيكون في، أحيانا بيكون في 2 روتس. حلينا كتير بالإكزامبلز أو الإكسرسايز عليهم. الراشنال equations قلنا إنه لازم يكون في condition q of x greater or equal to 0. هيدي شكل الراشنال equation، لأنه radical p of x equal q of x، يعني ال q of x لازم تكون positive. بعدين بنعمل square both sides. وقلنا إنه بالآخر after finding the roots, we just check in the equation, we substitute the roots in the equation, and we check which one is true and which one is not true. We took also some remarks. If a and c have unlike signs, so delta must be strictly positive. Some special cases, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then the equation admits two roots. One of them is 1 and the other one is c over a. If a minus b plus c equal to 0, then the equation admits two roots also. One of them is negative 1 and the other one is minus c over a. You can check from these examples. We checked also during the class period on GeoGebra application many equations and we got the same result. Also, you can download the GeoGebra application on your smartphones or software in your computer, and you can check and draw many graphs or many equations. You can check it by yourself. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.